How to activate Tesco Bank credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll discuss about activating your Tesco Bank credit card online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any web browser in your mobile device or your computer, and in the search bar, go to tescobank.com, and once on the official website, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen if you're in a mobile phone, and if you're new, click on the register option. But if you're using a PC, click on register option directly if you want to register an account in this Tesco Bank, and if you'd like to log into your account, you can just simply click on this login option over here. Next, enter your username, and if you want it to be remembered, check the box that says remember username, and then it will be saved in your system in this browser or in this device. If you've forgotten your username, click on I have forgotten my username in the right hand side of the screen. Click on it. And after you do that, you have to provide your details such as your first name, your surname, postcode, and date of birth. Click on next to retry your username, and then click on the login option and enter your password, and once you're done with this, you will be verified and you will be successfully logged in. So navigate to the credit card section after that, find the activate your card option and input your credit card number, expiration date, and other necessary details like your date of birth. Set up or confirm the security details such as PIN or password, and after activating your card, you will receive an email confirming its readiness for its use. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.